Okay, here's the latest updates to my kayak crate. I added fiberglass chunks to the top and to the bottom and I also sprayed them with that rubber coating, Flex Seal or whatever the hell it's called. Anyway, I upgraded the spring, the little bit bigger spring, and now I can do stuff like this. 1 gallon of water, 2 gallons of water, and my top is still up. But you just touch it. Not that I'm going to carry 2 gallons of water in the top of my kayak crate. So, anyway, that's what I've done to it. I also added a little tool caddy to the side of it. And of course I cut it out so my hand still goes through the hole. So, these are my updates. This actually goes behind me, facing that way. I put the little rubber feet on it. I put feet on it and sprayed them with that rubber coating also, so that it won't scratch up my kayak. Not that it would anyway, but just for strength, I added thick white zip ties around the tops of my, because I dropped my paddle in. I have one of those little short paddles. It's kind of like the, what's it called, the backwoods or backwater paddle. I made one a while back. It's out of a cutting board, and it's basically the same thing. But when I drop it in there, it hits the sides and it snapped this one right here. So I put zip ties just for extra strength. Plus that thing's kind of old. But yeah, you see my little rubber bungee back there. It's actually a piece of rubber tubing. So far that's what I've done to it. I think I'm gonna probably add like a little light or something here to where I can just, like a little tap light. So at night, I mean, not that I'm gonna be kayaking at night anyway, but these are my updates. These are my little strings that I use to tie it down to my kayak. If you like my videos, shoot me a comment, like it, subscribe, send me $1.